Absolutely. I want to tell something over here when you have picked this up. The very second or third day when I started this, somebody has gone and asked for the contribution. I would want to mention to all the viewers who are seeing this particular mission, the Anna Seva that we are doing is zero monetary. We are not seeking any monetary benefit, but I understand that there are some genuine people who have contacted me around globally, from I've been receiving call from USA, Germany, France, Australia, saying that, Madam, we are too far. Let us help. Let us do our contribution bit to this cause. We closely associate with this. So I told them all one thing: this is a seva that we are doing right now. We don't need any kind of monetary contribution, but then if you're really interested, my team, as you said, you, Shreya, so, Pooja, they're all working on it. My husband will be joining you all to work on how to do this. Maybe the next project we will take, or how to go about the contribution, where to put that, we will come up to that. Let's this is all very fresh and new. We have to
Absolutely.
professionally start to do it, and then we will reach out to them once we
Correct.
start off with that.
But speaking of professionalism, Usha, I should definitely mention this, the layout of work that is happening right now. Since you mentioned about Shreya, I was
Yeah.
amazed with the work she had done. And I think there has to be a mention for Shreya's work because how focused and from your perspective, see, it's your baby at the end of the day, right? So how is your vision and how focused it is going right now with someone like Shreya who's put in her expertise in the work? Can you just explain a little bit about that at this?
See, when I connected with Shreya and Pooja and you all just synced in my idea. Shreya started sending all the flyers, see, do this, do that. I had no idea how to do it. I'm technologically very bad at it, illiterate, I can say. But she has done such amazing work. People will get to see it on our page, what she's done and
Absolutely.
how she's doing it. And we have a registration form where the volunteer can register, where the needy can approach us. For how to approach us is also there, and how the volunteer can approach us is also there. And she's done that spreadsheet for us, and it's amazing how she's done it. I want to really quickly say how a volunteer can register with us. They have to just go on the page and click, and then the page will open. They can just inform what they're comfortable cooking, like whether they're comfortable cooking lunch or dinner, for how many people. If they chose to you cook only roti and sabji, they can mention that also. We can incorporate their cooking to somebody else, and that's how simple they can register. And they can also say how many days they want to do the seva. For all the volunteers who are going to come further, I want to mention one thing. Once you take up this particular path, it's a commitment. I surely
Absolutely.
agree. But you are a wife, you have a family to run. At any given point of time, you want to drop this. You can come up behijak and say, look, I'm not doing this right now. Maybe for some time I'll drop it, and pick it up whenever and wherever you want. And say, from today onwards, maybe for 3 days, I'll do the seva. So she can pick it up anytime. So no questions will be asked when she's dropping it. No
Correct.
questions at all.
Correct.
And this is for the volunteer part of it. When it comes to the meal for the needy, they have to just go and register. They have to tell how many meals they require, which area they are in, and then the discharge summary is very optional, because most of the patient are home quarantined. They'll not have a discharge summary. It's very, very optional. So they can register, and they can also mention if they're allergic to some food, and if their BP is high and low, and then so we can prepare accordingly. And these are the simple steps that Shreya has done and given it to us amazingly. So I'll tell you, technically, she's taken it forward. I'm just cooking and serving the people. Rest is taken care by you, Pooja and Shreya, and I'm so thankful for that.
And you know why I brought this up, because when I saw the form, it helps someone like me in the sense, if there is someone in my neighborhood and maybe I am tied up, and even if I want to help, but like you said, sometimes we also have a lot of things going on. I think anyone can go and fill a form for on the other person's behalf also, because there are elderly people who are not so tech savvy today,
Yes.
right? And I know that they are in our neighborhood also. We have someone, an old couple in our neighborhood, and we've been continuously sending food to them. The previous year we did that for them continuously. And if I expect them to go on the system and do, despite making it very simplified, they may find it challenging. So it helps someone like us to help in the neighborhood also.
I
And
think for that we have come up with an idea of where the flyers will come with various other numbers also along with mine. Various other numbers. Simply to simplify, I can say that that will contain all the angels number around their area. For suppose BTM layout, we have Ankur Bajaj, who is doing the volunteer, who is doing the cooking. So BTM area, they can just call up Ankur and say this for the senior citizen or for anybody who can't handle technology. They can call up Ankur and say, Ankur, this is the amount,
requirement.
3 meals, a requirement, and then from it's as simple as that. It'll come. The
Correct.
flyers will come. It'll be updated on the Facebook and Instagram. So all those places, it'll be updated very, very soon.
So what I understand is, while it started more from a seva intention, of course that intention is definitely going to be the priority and the way it has been done. But more than that, I think there's a lot of professionalism to the work, because every volunteer form or the registration form is going to that end detail, wherein at your end you are clear whom you are delivering it to. Okay, at your end you also know who are your volunteers as well, because it's very important, as they are our frontline soldiers right now, I would say so, that they are in this time also, they are out despite anything, and doing that bit of seva. It's very important to take care of them as well. So I think that the whole way, the entire way it's covered, very professionally done. And one more thing I would just want to understand from you, that while there is a lot of emotions that goes into doing this, okay, like you mentioned, my guru, so my spiritual guru always says that 10% of your income should always go to your guru, right? You give it, and that should be your priority first. So whether you're giving your income in terms of money, or you are giving your time, or you're sharing your resources, because right now the situation we are in, there is a lot of instability, there is a lot of disturbance and imbalance in the entire universe. So right now all that can matter is how we share the weight and share the burden, is when the balance can come in the ecosystem, right? So while we all know there's a lot of work we are going to do, I don't want to grab you also for a long time, because I'm sure there are people waiting for you to I know the dinner time is getting ready. I will not take your time much, but while this whole thing started in terms of serving humanity, Usha, what do you see more for a small helping hand?
See, a small helping hand today, as it has grown and reached so many people. I never thought back 9 days or 10 days it would reach to this extent. Maybe the intention of my intention of serving people, with love and nourishment has reached out. And there are a lot of ladies like me who think like me, who want to come together. So I want such ladies to come and join hands. Not only ladies, surprisingly, men are coming too. They say, I can cook. There are 2-3 volunteers among us, angels I call them. There are men who are cooking and sending it to the patient, and they write such sweet notes on the parcel, get well soon, we are with you. Amazing. Not just ladies, it's also men who are coming together. I want more volunteers to come in, and I want more quarantine senior citizen patients to come and avail this seva that we are doing. Why I'm insisting on seva is that we strongly believe that something that is done with love and affection, which is absolutely need of the art, because there is so much of negativity around us.
Absolutely.
And this is what is required: love, affection, laughter, some smile. This is exactly what is required.
Then
and
you
we
could
are
send
there with you.
then you could send my videos to them. Probably that would put a smile on their face as well, Usha.
Yeah, your real videos too. Yes. Yes.
No,
Sure, sure.
I
Okay.
strongly believe in that because if the energy shifts here, I think you can shift the energy everywhere.
Yes.
Incorporating, putting that, get well soon note or dropping a small candy, I think it makes a lot of difference. It's not about what you give, it's about how you do it and why you want to do it. Mainly, why you would
Absolutely.
want to do is when the how and the what gets taken care of, I feel.
True. Today
Right?
morning, I read a WhatsApp, message which was very lovely, which said everything is a vibration, and gratitude, love, affection. These are all the highest vibration that we need. So let's spread love, affection, and nourishment to all the needy. So all the needy, with whoever is seeing this video, please connect us. Please, send a message to everybody that a helping hand is right next to their door. Maybe a lady who's connected to a small helping hand is right next to their door, and she will reach out to them.
Absolutely.
This is the simplest thing that I'm saying,
Since you
and I'm
mentioned
doing.
about, yeah, since you mentioned about the energy and vibration, I would like to share one experience since morning, that we started as a, my a spiritual group. Uh, we are forming this, kavach, if I have to say, I don't know the Kannada term to it or English term to it, but we are kind of creating that kavach right now. So we are chanting from morning 6 to 8 for 2 continuous hours Mahamrutyunjay mantra till the 26th of this month. And anyone who's listening to this is open to doing it at their space, and if they want to know a little more about it, please reach out, because if we are creating that energy and vibration, the universe has to answer our prayers. And let's create it together so that a small helping hand can definitely become a very big
Yes, yes.
group, and the hands will become more, we can hold each other very
Strong.
tightly. Absolutely.
Stronger.
Yeah.
At this point of time, I just want to end up with one thing. All those who have reached out to me to do something as donation or sponsors, we will reach out and we will let you know how to donate,
Absolutely.
other than monetary, how to donate. Either one of the volunteers, Lavanya or Pooja, or somebody will reach you out, or you can contact us once the flyer with their numbers comes here. So just give us some time. We are doing it everything professionally. We want the donation or the contribution, other than the money, to also fall in place. So just give us some time. Shreya is working on that.
Correct. Yeah, we also
How to
want
do
to
it.
identify where it reaches, because when it comes to seva, this is what I have learned. When it comes to seva, the end person whom it has to reach should be genuine, because that seva comes back to you in your karma. So let your
Yes.
karma not get defected over here, that it reaches the wrong hands. So give
Yeah.
us some time. We are working on
Here,
that.
I would want to say only the donor will get to know where, to whom the person, the
Absolutely
grocery is reaching out. So the
correct.
person who is getting the grocery will not know who sent it to
Who
whom.
sent it?
So that the donor will become another angel to the angel who is already working. So we're
Correct.
working on that professionally. So we'll
Yeah,
let you
just
know
give
how to
us
work.
some time because we want to do
Yeah.
it properly. And
Yes.
but right now,
Yes.
I think Usha, thanks for your time.
Yeah.
The
Thank
dinner,
you.
people are waiting
Yeah.
for your dinner.
Yes, yes. My mind is all running here.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
are
I'm
running
sure,
for
I'm
everything.
sure. I'm sure your
Yeah.
cooker whistles must be right now calling you there.
Yeah.
And
I've
thank you
kept it
so
on.
much. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
just spreading the word and doing what you're doing. And we'll see how we can do and make a difference in a very different way.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. At this end, I would want to mention that there is one organization which I am associated from a very long time. My spiritual guru, Sri Vinaykar. Sorry, I'm so sorry, extremely sorry. Sri Vinay Vinaykar has initiated a spiritual community, I can say, as Sevak. So some of the Sevak has come to me and then enrolled in the running around in Bangalore. So picking up the parcel from one angel's house to another angel's house. So they are going to give the parcel. So they have come forward to help me in this way. So I'm very extremely thankful for that organization. I'm sorry I'm mumbling because my heart and mind has gone back to the kitchen. Can we end this?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
Usha. Taking your leave, and we'll see you soon. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Bye bye.
Bye.